Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today my husband making egg omelette. Let's see the process. So egg beat cheskunnaru. So now yes, pouring. Make it shape round fast. So round shape ivvaledu. He's trying to make round shape. So just spreading like this. Okay, this is not round shape. Okay, it's better enough. Just egg beaten and salt added. That's all. I think this is special egg omelette. Oh, chili powder now sprinkling. Okay, roundly spread it. Okay, then now next, now add on. Now adding some oil. Some not more adding, I think. Okay, next. He is trying to remove the omelette. Let's see the omelette properly coming or breaking. This is breaking news. Yes, it's too good, I think. Slowly. Why? Egg to fighting. Egg omelette to fighting. Oh, it's not came proper. Utter flap. Egg omelette is utter flap. Okay. Okay, guys. బెటర్ లక్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం బాగా వేసినప్పుడు ఇంకో వీడియో చేసి నేను మీకు పెడతాను. అంతవరకు బై బై, థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. సారీ టెల్లింగ్, ఐ థింక్ అటర్ ఫ్లాప్.